Okay, you guys have seen this applet before. I'm going to use it here to illustrate the double slit experiment, also known as Young's experiment. So right up here is a barrier that has two openings in it, two vertical slits like so. Plane waves are going to be incident upon these double slits from here at the top of the applet. Okay, let me go ahead and set this into motion, and when I do, we're going to do so here in terms of visible light. Okay, and then the interference pattern here is produced. Let me go ahead and pause it here. Okay, so if you look down here, you're going to see an alternating pattern of nodes and antinodes, just like you see in the ripple tank demonstration involving water from the last unit. So right here, for example, is a nodal line. This is a region of total destructive interference. This then corresponds to a dark fringe on the actual pattern itself. And then right here, for example, is an antinode. This right here is a region of total constructive interference. This is then where you end up with a bright fringe in the middle of the interference pattern. Right down here, for example, would be where the screen is located. This right here would be the whiteboard where you saw the demonstration in my lecture. And then right over here would be the central maximum. And so then you end up with this very bright spot here in the center of the pattern, and then you end up with the alternating pattern of bright and dark fringes, bright and dark fringes as you start to move to the side. Notice, however, that the waves start to become less and less distinct the more you are to the side from the central maximum. You can see up here, for example, that there are very little waves whatsoever. The reason for that has to do with something called diffraction, which I'll get to a little bit later on. Okay?